In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpin the Grammarly extension from the Google Chrome browser. Whether you find your browser's toolbar too cluttered or you simply want to keep things neat and organized, this quick tutorial will guide you through the simple process of making your browser look just the way you want it to. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. If you're unfamiliar with it, it's the multicolored circle icon often found right on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once your browser is open, you're going to navigate to a new tab by clicking on the small plus icon near the top of your browser window. This is where you can perform searches or directly enter the site's address you wish to visit. For us in this tutorial, the next step is to go to Grammarly's homepage. It's a simple task. Just type Grammarly into the search bar and select the appropriate link from the results. But for those who prefer, you can also directly enter Grammarly's web address in the search bar to find their page immediately. With Grammarly's page open, direct your attention upwards to the top right corner of your browser. This part of the toolbar displays a series of icons representing your installed extensions, including Grammarly if you have it installed. What we're focusing on here is managing these extensions to ensure your toolbar is as efficient as possible. You'll want to locate the small puzzle piece icon or the icon specifically for Grammarly. Once you've found the Grammarly icon or the puzzle piece representing your extensions, give it a right click. Doing so will present you with a series of options in a small drop-down menu. This menu is super helpful for managing your extension's appearances and functionalities. But today, we are concentrating on one specific feature, unpinning. Look for the option labeled Unpin in this drop-down menu. Click it once. What this does is remove the extensions icon from your main browser toolbar, maintaining its functionality without it needing to be constantly visible. This can be incredibly handy if you have numerous extensions but prefer a tidier space while you work or browse. Don't worry, your Grammarly extension is still active in the background. It's just not on the forefront of the toolbar. Now that's all there is to it. Sometimes the simplest changes can make a significant difference in how easily we manage our daily tasks. You'll find your browser not only looks cleaner, but might actually feel a bit more streamlined without all those extra icons in view. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've unpinned the Grammarly extension from your Google Chrome toolbar, keeping things neat and efficient. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.